Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find Shopify recovery codes. So the process is very easy. Once you're logged in, of course, if you're not logged in, you'll not be able to get them. So make sure you're logged in. If you're not and you cannot log in by any chance, you will have to contact the support. So if you're logged in your admin Shopify, you can go to the top right option and you'll find here your info or an icon. It should be your icon. Just go and click on your accounts. Do not click on any of your stores. Once you click on your account, as an example, you'll find yourself here. On the left panel, you'll find security. Go and click on that. Here, normally once you enable the 2FA or two-step authentication or two-factor authentication, new codes are generated to you. But maybe you'll lose those codes. So how can you find them? If you keep scrolling down, you'll find those recovery codes. You'll be able to click on view codes, and here where you'll be able to find your recovery codes. Of course, if you want to generate a new ones, you can always go and click on generate codes, and it will generate some new codes. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.